What happens right after the rapture? Revelation 6-19. The trumpet sounds. The church is caught up. Millions vanish in the twinkling of an eye. But what happens next? The world won't celebrate. It will collapse. The Bible calls it the Tribulation. 7 years of chaos, judgment, and deception like never before. Then I saw the Lamb open the seals, and there came a white horse, a red horse, a black horse, a pale horse. Revelation 6. Peace will be promised, but war will break out. A false leader will rise, the Antichrist, bringing unity that turns to tyranny. Plagues, famine, earthquakes, darkness. The wrath of God poured out on a world that rejected his Son. People will cry out for the mountains to fall on them, but still refuse to repent. It will be a time of great sorrow, but also a time of great mercy, because even in judgment, God offers grace. Some will still be saved, but it will cost them everything. If you're reading this before the rapture, don't wait. Jesus is the only escape. He took the wrath so you don't have to face it. Trust him now, because what happens after the rapture is something you don't want to see.